Dots, it's your guy, Mr. Nachi, here. I'm actually running some errands. Today is the day we're going to be heading to Audi Raceway in Audi, New Jersey today. I'm going to be racing Nick Plata in his incredible Ram, the Cam Ram. Spoke to him a little while ago. We should be getting there around 4:30, 5 o'clock is when the gates open. Right now, I really wasn't able to do anything that I wanted to do. Unfortunately, we were in like a tornado warning. We had a monsoon.
We apologize for the interruption. We now go live on scene. Nachi, to you.
Well, guys, this is our current situation.
Hurricane Hernandez has struck down here on the island of Penn's Landing.
Diablo!
We just had some, I'm going to call them tropical showers, even though it's not tropical. But it was downpouring out here, so I really didn't get to do what I needed to do. I was hoping today to get up early enough to, at least I wanted to change the filter. Didn't have time to order an air filter for the intake. It takes some time because they're located, if I'm not mistaken, up in Albany or Buffalo, New York, up by Canada. It's Rock Euro. So that's something that I do want to order this week so that I could have. I've had my intake and filter, the original filter, on there for the better part of a year and a half now. So at this point, it's pretty caked up. I've never cleaned them or anything. Just from looking at it, it looks like it needs to be changed. Also, I wanted to change the plugs. Plugs did not get an opportunity to. My shop that I use is Import DPS, Import Drag Performance up in North Philadelphia. Unfortunately, today or this weekend is World Cup Finals up in Maryland International Raceway. So they're doing work out there. The shop is closed, so was unable to pick up the plug. So we're really going to run the vehicle as it was last week. We're supposed to have a little bit of cooler weather. I'm not sure if I'm going to be at the track when the weather drops around 6, 7 o'clock. It's supposed to be about, I want to say 54, 52 degrees, which is decent. I'll take it. Tonight it is dropping to 38, but it'll probably be after 10 p.m. When that happens. So we're not going to be able to, take full advantage of the weather. Hopefully the PA is low enough and the density is where we need it, just to see where she's at. I am going to be running Doesnt today. It's going to be at just over 100 octane. My first time using it. As I stated in previous videos, I have a lot of guys that swear by it. The reviews are just everything in the positive with this product. So looking to see what it does. If I can shave a tenth off, I'm good. I want to say thank you to all our subscribers. With that last video, we picked up 20 subscribers and just received my notification from YouTube. Gave us a little congratulations email for reaching over 100 subscribers. I believe as of today, November 1st, we're at 109 subscribers. I am very grateful for you guys to take up the time to subscribe. I am going to be filling you guys with some content. I'm hoping to keep it interesting, doing some things that hasn't been done, and then things that have been done, try to do it a little better. With that being said, I am going to do a giveaway probably at about the 500 mark of subscribers, as I've mentioned in the previous post on social media. We get closer to that, I will let everybody know. So feel free, subscribe, hit the subscribe button. That's what counts. Let us know if you like a video. If you dislike a video, use the comment section. That's what it's there for. Let us know what you want to see. Let me know what you don't want to see. With that being said, I will put some information once we get our 500 subscribers. I'll probably do some kind of raffle or rally, in name. So anybody from subscriber number 1, day 1 to subscriber 500, I'll put you either on a auto generator or we'll put it in a hat, whatever works, and then we'll do a significant giveaway for our loyal subscribers. So make sure to stay tuned. You have the opportunity right now to subscribe because, like I said, we have 390 1 available spots to enter in this giveaway. So I would like to give away, a brand new GoPro. I might leave it open to options. Might do a gift card. I'm not sure what exactly we'll be doing. We are going to give a nice giveaway out. Just leave it there. But let's get the subscribers first. Come on, we can do it. Like I said, just yesterday we picked up 20 subscribers. That's 20 subscribers in one day. I am completely humbled by it. I am thankful for it. And we're getting the views. We have the people there. Let's subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you know when I upload a video. I'm going to try to upload a video once or twice a week of some good footage. So Jesse's a little busy today. Called on my cousin. Even more honored to call him one of my greatest friends. So shout out to Jesse. You see him in a lot of the videos. Usually either behind the camera, behind the scenes, giving me a hand with these bars. Always has, for the last, I want to say 10, 15 years, he's always played a hand in helping me with, my vehicles and getting things that need to get done, whether it be from wrenching to getting dirty to fiberglassing to body work. Doesn't matter, he's down. So big shout out to Jesse.
We stopped at the gas station, Sunoco, putting in that 93. You can see. Decided to put $15 because, like I said, I have about an hour and a half drive, and I'll get the boosting process in. So here it is, folks. Boosting professional, no ethanol. Put in 93. Got about 5 gallons, a little bit more than 5 gallons on there. So, like I said, we're gonna be somewhere between 100 and 104 octane. Just put gas in there and then mix it in with this.
What's going on, guys? We are en route to the track. Been en route for the last hour or so, and look who we have here today. We have Jesse. I know I was talking about him earlier, saying he wasn't going to be able to make it, but he moved some things around, and he is going to be behind the scenes and be able to get some footage. While fortunately I can't run the car and record at the same time, so he's going to be doing some of the video outside of the vehicle, and but he is here with us now. He's not very happy about it. I don't know if you can see. Look, he won't even look up. Jesse, look up.
Right there.
Look up. Look, there you go. Look at that. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. He's a sport. So it says we're about 10, 12 minutes away from the track. A lot of traffic Friday night. It's feeling good. It's actually, right now my car's rated 49 degrees outside. So that cooler weather seems to have gotten here a little earlier. That, and we're a little later. It's 6:10 right now. Hopefully we make it to the track by 6:30. Go through the tech, fill out everything, probably get the first pass in around 7:15.
Not changing the plug bites me in the ass again. I don't even hear it sputtering. Like I said, right around top of third or whatever, it started breaking up, and we're missing. So I'm gonna check right now on the computer, see exactly what occurred. Yeah, right. As soon as we got into third, it started breaking up. EPC light started flashing. Gotta love it. Yeah, we missing by it. Thank you. Stay warm. 12.8. 12.8 at 101.67. I freaking started breaking up top. Spun? You gotta lower your launch control. Yeah, gotta slip it more and then in third get on it. There you go. How about it? I gotta clear it. I don't know if you can hear it. It sounds like it has a freaking cam in it. It's blah, 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 blah. I lost the cylinder. Cylinder 5 misfire.
Cylinder 5 kept misfiring. We ran 2 passes. On the second one, the launch was actually better than I've done on the street, and definitely was there for a 12.3, 12.4 tonight. Unfortunately, is what it is. We'll be back out. This is a part of racing, and like I said, we're gonna go through it. We're gonna go through the ups and downs together of what trying to go faster entails, and some of the hardships that you run into. Unfortunately, today wasn't a day. Had a little fun, ran into a lot of old friends, a lot of clients and such, and hopefully, if the weather permits, next week maybe we could come back out. So definitely stay tuned. Also, Nick Plata unfortunately could not make it. His rear seems to have gone, or he's having issues with his rear on his truck, so he wasn't able to make it. Man, the weather was definitely there. I'm leaving the track now, it's 42. It definitely was there, but like I said, it was unfortunate things. Once he gets his truck back up and running, we'll definitely have him back out, and we'll do that little grudge match, which kind of happy about. Buys me some time, because definitely need a couple more mods and a couple things done before I go ahead and run against Nick Plata. But hopefully he gets his truck up and running soon, and it gives me time. Like I said, I need that heat exchanger. I'm hoping for maybe Sunday, if I can get the plugs. I'm hoping for this Sunday, changing it out, because it's dropping. I saw on the weather we're going to be seeing 20s this week on the lows, so try to bang this out while I can still feel my fingers. And like I said, just subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you.